We'll guide you through how to create games on CodePen. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the CodePen website on your desktop and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up by clicking the Join button in the top right corner and filling in your details. Once you're logged in, click on the Create button, which you'll find in the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select New Pen. This will open up a new blank editor with 3 panels for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'll use these panels to code your game. In the HTML panel, you can set up the structure of your game, such as creating a canvas element if you're planning to build a game with graphics. Next, switch to the CSS panel to style your game elements. This is where you can make your game visually appealing by adding colors, fonts, and layout styling. Now move to the JavaScript panel, which is where the magic happens. Use JavaScript to add interactivity, define game logic, and control the game's behavior. A simple example could be setting up event listeners to respond to user inputs. You can also use libraries like p5.js or phaser.js to simplify game development and add more advanced features. Once you've written your code, you can test your game directly in the browser by clicking the Run button. This allows you to see changes in real time and debug any issues. If you're happy with your creation, you can save your work by clicking the Save button in the top right corner, and even share it with others by using the provided URL. Experiment with different functionalities and keep refining your game to make it even more engaging. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.